2011 Palomino Sabre 31 CKTS for sale Kimberley, British Columbia V1A3B2 $24,652 equals $33,000 Canadian. Get ready for the ultimate adventure with this 2011 Palomino Sabre 31 CKTS. This beautiful fifth-wheel RV is 38 feet in length and features a spacious floor plan that will comfortably accommodate up to 4 people. It has been outfitted with 3 power retractable slide-outs with 1 awning that will make traveling a breeze. Hit the road with minimal effort because this Sabre fifth wheel comes with amazing features. This Palomino Sabre is ready to become your next home away from home. It is laced with quality amenities and luxury throughout that will have you living experience right on the campsite. Highlights of its advantages include original OwnerNo KidsNo PetsUpgraded Queen mattress heated UnderbellyCorian CountersFreestanding DinetteAir bed SleeperElectric JacksElectric fireplace 16 aluminum alloy wheels and so much more. This 2011 Palomino Sabre 31 CKTS has been meticulously maintained by experienced outdoor enthusiasts. It has been kept exceptionally clean, which has enabled its excellent condition. This fabulous fifth wheel is priced well below its value, which is perfect for anyone looking to create lasting memories with loved ones and friends. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity to make your traveling dreams come true. Call today for more information on how you can see the world with this Palomino Sabre.